What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 13. It's like 4 o'clock right now, and we're getting ready to go to Sam's Club to get some dog food because my dog needs some food and stuff. So that's what we're about to do. And then today I was designing stuff on my Cricut on my machine, or on my app, and designing stuff on the app for Trevel's birthday. So I'm thinking about doing his shirt, his birthday shirt, and then I'm gonna attempt to do a cake topper. So that should be interesting. I'll do a screenshot to show you guys like some of the stuff that I created today. Okay, you guys, so this is the idea for the cake toppers. Thinking about doing the top one is the goal. And here is an idea for some t-shirts that I'm thinking about doing. I have 3 separate ideas. Let me know in the comment section what you think, which one I should do. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile. It's quirky, it's Alright, let's go into Sam's Club. Yeah, I'm good. I feel hella weird, like, holding on to this thing. The whole entire video is gonna be like this.
So you don't just never end up doing it?
Or people skip these out. Let's go outside. Snow is falling down and every child is having so much just fun. Go down through here where that one house is too. I'm gonna have to edit the whole thing because all here's. Can you go by really slow, please? Wow. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Oh, look at the little on the garage. That's so cute. Man, I bet their light bill is crazy. So cute. That is so cute. One of these days we'll decorate the house outside with all the lights. House Goals was the one that we've seen. Oh, the patio in the back. I can't get over this house.
I'm gonna make the people in their block up they can, because
wow. I'm gonna insert a 5-second video clip of this one house. We went to Palmdale area, and the house was like lit. Right track. Super lit.
that is cool. I like the little sound. Where's Rudolph?
Is it over here? Oh, never mind. It's only in the 3 houses.
I like how they did it like that.
Yeah. Or sit back.
Cool how it goes deep. They're close to deep.
This thing is huge. Look at this Mickey Mouse. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, the what? The sprinkles?
Yeah.
The snowflakes?
That's what it's
You said the sprinkles.
like. sprinkles.
Dave, there's snowflakes.
That's what I said.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Alright. This is sprinkles. This is cool right here. They have it, the lights connected to all the trees.
Ice person.
Oh wait, the ice person? Stop.
Star Wars.
Can you roll down your window?
Droid to the world.
Elsa. That's so cute.
I didn't realize this was all one house. I thought this was separate.
Okay, you guys, so seeing all those lights, so pretty. Hope one of these days I can just decorate my home outside with like a lot of lights and stuff. Just really, really pretty now. And I think I might get started on doing the cake topper. I'm gonna try it out and everything. I'll probably put that in tomorrow's vlog with how it comes out. So I'm gonna get started on that. Okay, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and hit that notification bell as well. So when I'm posting videos, you guys are getting notified when I'm posting them. And comment something down below. What was your favorite part of today's video? Let me know. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.